So welcome to the Mind Over Metal Summer Camp for 2023 in partnership with Seaspan, VIU, Canadian Welding Bureau, our school district in Parksville, Qualicum School District.
CWB, they provide opportunities for students to come do these camps, and they, in many cases, they provide welding equipment, and they supply food, so they provide lunch and breakfast for the students, and all the consumable materials. So we were able to bring some kids from Parksville, Qualicum, and there are some students from Nanaimo that are here as well.
So students aged 12 to 16 are participating. Spending a week up here learning real welding skills with real machines with real VIU instructors. So this is Brad Harrison from VIU, one of the senior instructors. So what sorts of things are they doing?
Well, we start with a little bit of safety, of course, because that's the most important part. So after we get the safety out of the way, you just start having fun. We start with just typical welding on the flat, learning your machine, getting used to being in a booth with the enclosed covers and all that stuff. And then we progress, like right now, we've moved on to building some cowbells. We do dog tags. We also do some stick figures at the end, but we mainly stick to the wire feet just because it's a nice, simple process, and the kids take to it fast.
So they're able to actually weld at a level where you can produce stuff.
They are welding within 2 hours of being here in the morning. They're full-on welding.
CWB and Seaspan got together on this particular camp, and they've co-sponsored it. And yeah, so 16 students, 3 instructors are here, and then there's 4 assistants as well. So there's a lot of it. It's a good ratio for students to learn.
I'm working on eventually cowbells, but right now we're practicing something called the beat.
What's that?
So these ones aren't very good because we're just learning, but they're supposed to be kind of tight like that. And they're the ones that are supposed to look pretty, that go on the outside that you actually see.
Do you like it?
It's really fun.
Okay, are you going to come back?
Hopefully.
Expose the students to this at a young age.
Mm-hmm.
And then I know from the last time we ran this camp, just pre-COVID, some of those students have actually come back into the welding program and are actually out on work experience right now as we speak.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
It sort of goes full circle, I guess.
Well, right now our current class is actually on their practicum in the real world, working at welding shops, getting some real work experience. Then they'll come back to us, and then we'll help them improve their skill set that they thought they might be lacking once they're actually on a job site.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You betcha.